orange moon again today. Looks like the road grader fell off the road and crashed right here. Whoops, must be slippery. Oh, look at that, a road grader stuck in a ditch. That's unusual, I've never seen that before. You got hit by a school bus and a road grader? Wow.
Yeah, it wasn't all that clever. Wade with the tires,
Yeah?
which made it stop immediately. And then she almost tipped the bus over because she drove all the way over my blade.
Oh
The
my.
bus almost tipped and it came back down. All the kids fell on the floor. They had to bring an ambulance.
Oh my goodness, how scary.
Two of the kids left in an ambulance, fell on her face, and hurt her arm. The whole thing was just insane. It was like, what the heck? And the worst part was, then I had to sit there because it was, they needed an ambulance and all that stuff. I had to sit there for like 2 hours, 2.5 hours waiting for the ambulances to get there and the police to get there. My George.
Kind of ruined your day.
It did.
Kind of have a little sympathy for the road graders when they're grading. Cars want to crash into them.
Well, see how he's got that thing way down in the back?
Yeah.
That's so cars can't run underneath him. If he raises it up, they run underneath him and it kills the people.
Wow. Good thing they got that.
He's already out.
They already got him back on the road. Just like that. See what Bob's doing back in Kansas. They got a snowstorm.
Check this out, Joycey. Look at this. We've got a snowstorm down here. 5 to 9 inches. And it is coming down. But, heck, I like it. Get out there on a side-by-side and do some donuts here pretty soon. Snowing down here, Joyce. Going down to get the mail. Supposed to get 5 to 9 inches of snow. But heck, I love it. But I'm going to jump out of here and head in the house now. All right, been up to Bobby's. I'm headed back for the house. Fortunately, I don't have too far to go, but look at the snow come down. And Buck out in front of me, I got to watch out for Buck. Get out of the way, Buck. Buck of the North, we call him. Gonna have some fun tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going in the house where there's a nice good old wood stove burning with a, man, it's toasty warm in there. Okie dokie. There's my warm fire. Nice and toasty in here.
Thanks for watching. If you're in that snowstorm, be careful. Have a good day.